Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your own lash strips using these training strips. You guys can find these in Amazon or in any eyelash extension store supplies, but it's more convenient to get them on Amazon. You will also be needing some lip gloss wands just so you guys can prime your lashes, just to remove the dust and little bit of oil that it comes with. You're gonna need some isolating tweezers. These are from ILEVELLAB. They're my favorite isolating tweezers. And these tweezers are the 75 angle tweezers that I've showed in my previous video, and these are the quality brand ink. These are from Amazon as well. I'll link everything down below. And these are hydrogel eye patches, so you guys can place your strips on here. And you will be needing your mannequin as well. This mannequin's been with me for quite some time now. When I started lashing, this was the one that they provided me at school, and it does have a little bit of glue stains. It's been really hard to get that off, but it's fine because we don't need it. We're gonna focus on these. You will also need any type of lash tile to hold your lashes. You can also use your lash tray and just flip it over and put them in the back. I'm gonna be creating more like of a wispy set for me because I want to wear these out so you guys can see how they look. So I'm gonna be mixing a couple of lengths. Everything that I use and the style of map that I use, I will be putting it down below. As of right now, I don't know what style I'm gonna be really using or doing. I'm just gonna go for it and see what I come up with. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you guys like these type of videos, then I'll do many more styles. Just let me know. So yeah, keep on watching. I also forgot to mention, usually I'm used to actually just eyeing out my lash mapping, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and actually write down the sizes here, just so you guys can, if you guys never tried eyelash extensions, you guys can try it yourself at home, and it'll just be much easier for you guys. Everything that I use, again, it's gonna be linked down below so you guys can find it and try to make your own lash extensions. But for the mapping, I'm gonna use these it's like a little graph, like a little mapping sketch that you guys can use, so it'll be easier for you guys, or you guys can just write it down here on the gel pad using a Sharpie markers, what I prefer to use.